Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you about the OPPO mobile phone camera setting. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start video. Just open the camera. After you have been open the camera right now, you are going to find night mode. And try to click picture on the night mode. So how it is, okay? Just wait for a moment and it will capture the pic. So right now it has captured, and this is the video and this is the photo. This is the portrait. So if you want to click photo on the portrait, you can move on it. This is the more settings, and this is the slow motion. You can make this slow motion video. See, I just make this slow motion video. Okay, so you can try it. So let's watch it, this slow motion video. You can see I pointed the finger so fast, but it's just like so slow, right? I just move so fast, but it shows this so slow. Like I don't know, I was like pointing like this, but still it shows this slow. How you can make this slow motion video like this? Okay. Again, I'm going to show you about this. Just cut this slow motion video and click on more. This is the time lapse. Okay, you can set the time lapse. Okay. See, the timing has been continue. See, you can capture the video or pick like this. This is the time lapse, and this is the export. This is the sticker. This is the macro. This is the pano. Let's see the macro. I mean, user sticker. See, this is the user sticker. Just click photo. You can use the sticker from here. 200%. You can load it. You can hide the alt retouching also. Okay. You can see the camera settings. There is more. This is the macro. When you click photo, see it's too small right now, right? So you know about the macro time lapse. You can see this is the OPPO mobile phone camera settings, and there is more. I'll show you. You have to move on setting. Okay, on the side, here is the volume button actions. This is the finger shooting. This is the shutter sound. This is the location, composition, advanced setting, shooting method, internal zooms, video resolution, restore. This is a shooting method. Okay, and this is the advanced setting. If you want to activate from here, you can activate it. This is all about the camera settings that I show you. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.